Here, lads, take a spin out the country roads. Yeah. Here, lads, take a spin out the country roads. I know a place where the fields are always greener, fresh country air. There must be something in the water, sipping tea and tay, laying out by the loft side. The lights turn heads, trying to catch a little glance, right? You could travel the world, but nothing comes close to the border zone. Once you party with us, you'll be never going home. Cavan Girls, we're unforgettable. Denim shorts, runners on top, rosy cheeks glowing. Yeah, we never stop. Cavan Girls, we're undeniable. Sound fresh, fierce, we've got it on lock. Midlands represent now. Put your hands up. Late summer nights down the road near Ballyconnell. Music in the air, sure the whole place feels like heaven. Cruising country lanes, radio playing loud and steady. Bonnets sit in chats till the sunrise, getting ready. You could travel the world, but nothing beats a Friday night at home. Once you dance with us, you'll be never on your own. Cavan Girls, we're unforgettable. Denim shorts, runners on top, rosy cheeks glowing. Yeah, we never stop. Cavan Girls, we're undeniable. Sound fresh, fierce, we got it on lock. Midlands represent now. Put your hands up. Fields, lakes, yeah, we're ready. Turn it up now, it's getting heavy. Wild, wild border zone. These are the girls that run the show. From Virginia down to Belturbet town, word gets round when the sun goes down. No big lights, but we don't care. Best nights out, all right out there. Katie, my lady, look at that crowd go crazy. Roll on through, we're representing Cavan too. Cavan Girls, we're unforgettable.